What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. On the spot. Rachel and Emily are having coffee together. They're talking about a recent dinner party they attended. That party was fun, but I feel bad for David. You feel bad for him? Why? Did you see when our host asked him to give a speech? Oh, yeah, it was so unexpected. He seemed really surprised. Right, he was just eating his dessert, and all of a sudden he had to speak in front of everyone. He wasn't prepared at all. You never know when you might be put on the spot. Quiz time! What does on the spot mean? Give a speech, attend a dinner party, immediately, under pressure, eat dessert. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B, immediately and under pressure. Teaching moment. If something happens on the spot, it happens immediately and spontaneously. We can also say put someone on the spot, which adds more pressure to the situation. In our story, David was put on the spot to give a speech. There was pressure in the immediate moment because he didn't expect it. Examples. The sudden question during the interview put me on the spot, and I tried to give the best answer I could. The manager put Jane on the spot by asking for her opinion on the new project strategy. The comedian was known for his quick wit and ability to come up with hilarious jokes on the spot. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Give a speech. Talk in a formal way at an event. The host. The person who invites. All of a sudden. Suddenly. Under pressure. Stressed. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.